Hey yo, what's up guys? It's Adias Pranks and Skits. Today I'm here with Coryion. And today, well, we're gonna be doing a little challenge. These chicken nuggets have chili powder on them. And oh wait, hold on, we forgot the pepper.
Already put it in there.
Oh, and pepper. And then in here we have a chili queso, I think it is, and buffalo sauce, and chili powder and some pepper. And yeah, so we're about to try to eat all this. And the loser, alright, so the loser has to have the other person post something on their Instagram, but the winner gets to have a soda. Since we can only have, both of us can only have, well, there's only one soda left, okay? And yeah, so let's dive straight into it. Alright, so guys, we are here with the chicken nuggets, chili powder on them, and then we're here with the sauce, chili queso, buffalo sauce, pepper, and chili powder. So the challenge is gonna start in 3, in 2, in 1. I'm gonna lose. Nigga, fuck that shit, bro. Bro, I'm about to win this shit, bro. I think I'm gonna win. Did you put it in your mouth? No, fuck. So almost on your head. I fucking quit. You won. What the? Not even that bad to be honest, but it's kind of like an eating challenge, so I mean. Alright, you guys, I lost.
I got in my hair. You a faggot.
I was trying to win, bro.
I'm kind of surprised.
What?
Not even that hot.
The chili powder didn't do anything. The only thing it does is burn your throat. Guys, like this video and we will do a sour chicken nugget challenge. Sour. You know what? We might as well just do it anyway.
But no fucking.
Fucky. Yeah. So a couple hours after this is posted, the sour chicken nugget one will be posted. So yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.